pilot tips. This is part 3, clothing, section 3, pockets. There's a bunch of stuff we can carry whilst we're up in the machine, and we're going to have a look at the kind of things I like to keep in my pockets. So here's the kind of thing I carry in my pockets on a daily basis. Over here first, my wallet, and this is a prepaid credit card, fully charged, $200 on it. Carry one of these in case you need to get gas at one of those self-serve gas places. Here's a homemade notepad and a pen that goes in my top pocket, and my sunglasses go in my top shirt pocket. Lighter, never leave home with that one. Mobile phone too, and then this is what goes in my leg pocket. Here we got some shop towel, never leave home without that either, super handy. So let's have a look at what's in this pouch. So here's the contents of that little pouch I just showed you. Over here first we've got 2 garbage bags. These come in as rain jackets if you really need them. This is a little pouch I made out of tape for my pilot document. You can spend $20 on a leather one. This probably costs about 5 cents. It has the added advantage it's waterproof. All up here we've got the contents of this little tin. Now this is absolute basic survival needs. We have a wire saw for shelter building. We've got snare wire. We've got some very strong painkillers and band-aids. This is a little fishing kit in here, some line and some hooks. Safety pins, strong cotton and a few needles. A fire striker, some matches, a candle. This is a piece of rubber. This will burn even when it's wet, help you get your fire going. This is a signal mirror. This is a whistle to call someone if you're in distress. And this is a compass. It's seen better days, but it still points north. And this is water purification tablets. And if I put 1 or 2 of these in here with kind of brackish water, in an hour or so, that's going to be drinkable water. And these are things that I would never leave home without.